Shipping is the backbone of our world trade and globalized industries. Every day, thousands of ships travel across the oceans, carrying many types of products and consumables. And as economies grow, so does the demand for shipped goods. As the traffic at sea increases, the more challenging the navigation on the shipping routes becomes. Fairways, ports and harbors get overcrowded and the risk for ship collisions increases. The decision-making on board is crucial, and today's crews have to rely on their own situational awareness and experience when navigating complex traffic conditions. The necessity of a more inclusive communication and navigation system is crucial for safe maritime transportation. The current maritime communication system is limited to simple data like current ship position and speed. In the project Prepare Ships, we have created a method for ships not only to take part of surrounding ships' positions, but also their intentional placement within the fairway, thus providing the crew with all the information they need for safer navigation. Cybersecurity is challenging at the maritime industry, and cyber attacks such as spoofing and jamming are affecting shipping safety daily. The Prepare Ships project, with its cyber-secure features, aims to become a cornerstone for future automated navigation. This new technology is a result of expertise of a long list of collaborating partners. It functions as a decision support system, while at the same time reducing the risk for ship collisions and cyber threats, as well as decreasing the ship's environmental impact. The system's high accuracy of positioning is achieved by data sensor fusion, including the European Galileo satellites and land-based reference system. This increases the accuracy and the integrity of the ship's positioning. With the help of mapping data, as well as virtual reference stations, the position information is precise and secure down to centimeter level. The ship's exact position information is then forwarded to the ship's crew through an electronic sea chart system called EGNSS. In EGNSS, advanced machine learning models provide the crew with a prediction of the vessel's future pathway. The ship's predicted path is calculated by a machine learning model specific to that individual ship. It takes into account historical and real-time information about the ship, such as engine and propulsion characteristics, current control, load and trim conditions, as well as environmental parameters such as weather, sea state and shallow waters. The ship then sends out the predicted route, while at the same time receiving surrounding vessels' predicted pathways by the next generation means of communication, called VDES. The system includes the latest sea chart standard for higher accuracy of information. It enables active underkill clearance management by presenting go areas and predicting highly accurate positions to the crew, all this for better decision-making. As the position information received from various satellites is corrected locally on the ship, the integrity of the information is highly secured from cyber attacks. All information is exchanged via VDES, which allows for encryption, reducing the risk of cyber attacks. The involvement of end users is of utmost importance throughout the project. Testing and demonstration in realistic traffic situations are now to be performed in the archipelago of Gothenburg in order to show the benefits of the system. 3 different vessels, including a Stena ferry, will be used to provide realistic scenarios and demonstrate the benefits for safer navigation. Prepare Ships will tackle the maritime's biggest safety challenges and at the same time decrease the shipping traffic's environmental impact. If you want to know more, reach out or read here. prepareships.eu